What's up, guys? Welcome back to Pack Attack, where we open one pack very fast and that's it. Make it short and simple. Today we have a pack of XY Breakpoint. Looking for that Gyarados Secret Rare. Oh man, did I butcher that. Today it will be an extra 20 seconds because I am a terrible pack opener. Wow. Anyway, moving on. Code card. XY is 1, 2, and 3. We have a Delinquent, Max Elixir, Cricketune, Blitzel, Numel, Shinx, Ducklet, Honedge, Hypno Reverse Hollow, and that really cool artwork, and a Camelrupt, which I believe we pulled already, in a different pack attack. That's all for today. See you on the next one.